Welcome back to the Oraanj Interior Design channel. You're new here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest trends and expert advice in interior design. Now, let's dive straight into today's exciting topic, the top interior design trends for 2025. Whether you're looking to refresh one room, completely renovate your space, or just get ahead of the game, these trends are going to give you all the inspiration you need for the year ahead. Now, before we jump into all the juicy details, I want to hear from you. What kind of designs are you excited to explore in 2025? Are you into sustainable living? Or maybe you're more of a fan of bold, eclectic styles? Drop a comment below and let's chat. I'm so excited to see what you're thinking, and I'll be answering your comments throughout the video. So, 2025 is bringing a whole new wave of interior design trends. And we're not just talking about small tweaks here and there. These are trends that are set to redefine how we live, decorate, and interact with our spaces. From cutting-edge technology to timeless sustainability, we're about to explore some seriously exciting ideas. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with one of the most important and truly revolutionary trends that will define 2025, sustainability. Now, this is a trend that's been building momentum for a few years now, but in 2025, it's more important than ever. As our awareness of climate change and environmental impact continues to grow, many of us are thinking about how our homes can reflect those values. Sustainable interior design is no longer just about making a statement. It's about creating spaces that actively contribute to the well-being of the planet and ourselves. So, what exactly does sustainable interior design look like in 2025? It's about materials, energy efficiency, and even the lifespan of the items in your home. We're seeing a real push towards natural, eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood, cork, stone, and clay. These materials don't just look beautiful, but they're sourced responsibly, reducing the environmental footprint of your home. And you can take it a step further with the furniture you buy. Vintage and upcycled furniture are two of the biggest trends in sustainable interior design. Not only is buying secondhand a great way to reduce waste, but it also allows you to find one-of-a-kind pieces that give your home character and history. Think about those beautiful mid-century modern chairs you've been eyeing. Buying them secondhand is a fantastic way to bring a touch of nostalgia and style to your home without contributing to waste. Next up, we have a trend that is sure to bring some excitement and energy into your home: bold, eclectic styles. In 2025, it's all about mixing patterns, colors, textures, and eras in a way that feels completely unique to you. Gone are the days of trying to make everything match perfectly. Now, it's about creating a space that feels vibrant, full of life, and packed with personality. So, what does this eclectic style look like? Well, it's a combination of unexpected elements that somehow work together beautifully. Imagine bright jewel tones like deep emerald greens, rich blues, and burnt oranges, mixed with earthy tones like terracotta and mustard yellow. These vibrant colors are layered together in a way that creates an energetic atmosphere in your home. But it's not just about color. Texture plays a huge role too. We're seeing a blend of soft velvet with hard-edged metals, sleek leather with textured wool, and glossy ceramics with rough-hewn stone. Feeling inspired but unsure where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. One of the easiest ways to incorporate bold, eclectic design into your home is by layering textures. Try mixing a bold patterned rug with simple, neutral furniture. Or maybe add a bright, patterned throw on a solid-colored sofa. These small touches can instantly elevate your space and create a dynamic look that feels warm and inviting. Let's talk about one of my personal favorite ways to add eclectic flair: artwork. Art is an easy and impactful way to bring your personality into a space. Whether it's a vibrant painting, an oversized abstract print, or a collection of framed photographs, eclectic spaces thrive on having artwork that adds depth and interest. And don't forget about furniture. One of the joys of eclectic design is the freedom to mix different styles. You might have a vintage armchair next to a sleek, modern coffee table. The key is to make sure that each piece stands out but still feels like it belongs in the same room. Think about creating contrast. A minimalist sofa with a bold, patterned rug can create a beautiful balance. Let's talk about a trend that's not just about aesthetics, but functionality: the rise of smart homes. Technology is rapidly changing how we live, and in 2025, we're seeing even more integration of smart devices into our interiors. But this isn't just about convenience. It's about making your home smarter, more energy efficient, and even more comfortable. Smart home technology is no longer just for tech enthusiasts. It's becoming mainstream. Whether it's smart thermostats, automated lighting, or voice-controlled assistants, these devices are making life easier, safer, and more efficient. But the exciting thing is that technology is starting to blend seamlessly with interior design. It's no longer about hiding away all those devices. In 2025, we're seeing tech that's designed to enhance your space's aesthetic as well. Now, let's talk about something that's really exciting in 2025. Minimalism meets Maximalism. Yes, you heard that right. These two design styles, which were once considered opposites, are coming together in the most beautiful way. Minimalism, which is all about simplicity, clean lines, and functionality, is being paired with Maximalism's bold patterns, rich textures, and colorful layers. The result? A balanced, stylish, and harmonious living space that feels both calm and dynamic. The trick is to combine the best of both worlds. So how do you achieve this perfect balance? Start by creating a minimalist base. Choose a neutral color palette for the walls, floor, and larger furniture pieces. Think white, gray, beige, or soft pastels. Then introduce maximalist elements, such as bold artwork, colorful cushions, or statement furniture pieces that stand out against the minimalist backdrop. The key is to maintain a sense of simplicity and calm, while still allowing some room for boldness and personality. This can be done through accent pieces like large patterned rugs, vibrant throw pillows, or a statement chandelier that becomes the focal point of the room. Finally, let's talk about one of the most soothing and grounding trends of 2025: nature-inspired spaces. There's no denying that the natural world has a calming effect on us, and in 2025, bringing nature into our homes is going to be bigger than ever. Nature-inspired design is all about using natural materials, earthy colors, and plenty of greenery to create a tranquil and rejuvenating environment. Think about wooden furniture, stone accents, linen fabrics, and plants. All of these elements can turn your home into a peaceful retreat, perfect for unwinding after a busy day. One easy way to bring nature into your home is by adding more plants. Plants purify the air, improve your mood, and add a touch of natural beauty to any room. And don't worry if you're not a green thumb. There are plenty of low-maintenance plants like snake plants, succulents, and zeze plants that thrive with minimal care. But it's not just about plants. We're also seeing a surge in the use of natural materials in home design. Rattan, bamboo, cotton, and wool are being used in furniture, textiles, and decor to create a calming, grounded vibe. These materials are not only sustainable, but also bring texture and warmth into your home. All right, let's take a moment to talk about something that's becoming more and more important in our lives: wellness and biophilic design. In 2025, we're seeing a rise in creating homes that are not just visually appealing, but that nurture our well-being. This trend focuses on using design to promote health, happiness, and productivity, while also helping us connect with nature. So, what exactly is biophilic design? It's a concept that encourages the connection between people and the natural environment through the use of organic elements. This can include everything from natural materials like wood and stone to the integration of plants and natural light into your living spaces. Biophilic design is not just about bringing the outdoors in. It's about creating environments that support physical and mental well-being. Now, you might be wondering, how can I bring wellness and biophilic design into my home in 2025? One of the simplest and most impactful things you can do is to increase natural light in your space. Another key aspect of biophilic design is bringing plants into your home. Not only do plants help purify the air, but they also contribute to a sense of calm and tranquility. Some of the best plants for your home include peace lilies, spider plants, and succulents. Aside from natural light and plants, natural materials like wood, stone, and cotton can really help to create a harmonious space that feels grounded. The tactile qualities of these materials, the grain of the wood, the cool smoothness of stone, the softness of cotton, can make your space feel more connected to the earth and provide a deeper sense of relaxation. So, there you have it, the top interior design trends for 2025. From sustainability and smart tech to bold, eclectic styles and nature-inspired spaces, 2025 is shaping up to be an incredibly exciting year for interior design. I hope this video has inspired you and helped you find some fresh ideas for your own home. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. We've got so much more content coming your way, including design tips, DIY projects, and more trends for 2025.